Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we're doing something a little bit different, something you guys have asked me for. And today is an anti-haul of skincare products that I am not interested in, skincare launches. Today is just gonna be a little kiki video. I see it all the time in the makeup industry. I've seen so many channels do it. My favorites are Raw Beauty Christy. I love the way she does this. So we're sort of gonna do it that way, except with skincare products only. And there's another channel that I love so much who does anti-hauls in the makeup industry. But I want to stick to the skincare industry because there are a lot of launches. Some we got a kiki on Instagram with, and I just want to talk about them with you guys on YouTube. Now I do want to say this is not to bash the brand. This is about the product alone. I wrote down a list of the products we will be talking about because I'm old school. I write down the first one being Wishful Skin, Huda Beauty Company. I mean, first of all, where do I start? Oh my God. So the product is called Yo Glow Facial Enzyme Scrub. When I first launched, I was gonna purchase it. It was $39. My issue with that was I felt like it was sort of a ripoff buying a $39 product. You're gonna have it shipped out for about $10 to $15 express shipping, and the whole price ended up being $50. That was a waste of money for me, and I just thought it was ludicrous. Also, I started looking at Instagram videos and literally it was just a scrub. It looked literally like people were rubbing glue off their face. It just, I mean, come on, Huda, what is going on? And then to top all that, you know, I've seen this before. I've reviewed peeling gels on the channel. So for her to say this was a scrub when it looked like a peeling gel, Saturday Skin has a peeling gel that is way cheaper than this to me. And then people were like, oh, it makes my skin look wonderful. And the way their skin was looking, although they were lying, was just messy to me. I could not cop and pay $50 for a product that was just looking botched to me. And then the drama behind the launch. Okay, so we all know with the Shane Dawson series that makeup launches and as well as skincare takes a little bit longer, takes about 9 months to a year to formulate, and then once it's sold out, you're looking at about 90 days to get it back in restock, maybe a little bit longer depending on the lab you're at. Huda's product, the day it launched, supposedly sold out. But then after that, a few weeks, it was back on Sephora. It was back on her website. So to me, it's like, are you lying to us? You know, as we become more informed consumers, thanks to series like what Shane Dawson did and the transparency of how Tati runs her company at Tati Beauty, I would like Huda to not be acting like we just a dumb consumer lions talking about, oh, the product is out of stock, I can't believe this, and then 2 weeks from now it's right back up, and because you have more product. That's creating anxiety in consumers. That's making them want to go buy it on eBay for more, which they could get a way worse product. I just didn't like all that messiness of her lying about it was out of stock. Then next thing you know, it's on Sephora and it's in stock. I've seen so many launches from YouTubers who run their own companies, and when they are out of stock, the restock happens about 90 days, maybe even longer. So for her to lie, I just like, you know what, Huda, I am not, you. Once she starts being more transparent to us as consumers, because as consumers, we're becoming a little more educated in the buying process and how long makeup and skincare takes. Once she stopped lying, I am by all means willing to go ahead and buy. But other than that, I just can't with Huda. With that being said, let's go on to Drunken Elephant. So Drunken Elephant launched their new F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial Mask. Okay, I was really excited about this product. Super excited, super ecstatic. But then when I kept reading on it, I didn't need another overnight facial mask. Personally, I feel like Laneige has that market down pack. I really need a $52 overnight sleeping mask. Personally, I think I would have bought it if it was not an overnight sleeping mask, if it was more of a facial mask, because you guys know I am in love with facial masks. I like the idea, I like the concept. I don't like the price. I don't like the price, but I would have committed to buying it had it been a face mask and not an overnight face mask. I don't know. Do you guys really use face masks at night? I really don't see myself using face masks unless I need an extra boost of hydration. And sometimes I feel face masks really stain your pillows and it's just a whole mess. And then I live in Arizona. I am always hot here at night. I'm literally sweating, leaking all on the bed. Gotta have a mattress protector, and then y'all coming out with another water facial mask just for my face to be sweating. No, I do not have time for it. So that is one of the products I did not want to buy. However, I am interested in it and I may cave, but because it is an overnight sleeping mask, I don't need it. So next is Farsali. Now they're Farsali Care. Side note, that brand has came a long way from back in the day. I don't know if you guys remember their old packaging when it was just like paper. Like, they have came a long way. Shout out to them. I love it. Like, that is a husband and wife duo. I'm about to say husband and daughter duo, but like husband and wife duo. I really love that about that brand. They have came a long way. If you have not followed them since the beginning, let's just say like 2010, 12, 14, like way back in the day. Their packaging has came a long way. The brand has came a long way. I am really shocked and amazed as someone who's followed the journey of Farsali Care. What Farsali now, Farsali Care. With that being said, this new this new liquid powder oil balancing serum, I'm just not really interested in it. And the reason why I personally am not interested in it, because I was going to buy it and review it, but I just can't see myself paying $54 for the first two ingredients being water and witch hazel. Y'all know how I feel about brands upping witch hazel in a product. Look, the minute you start telling me it has 4% witch hazel, 2%, I'm like, what is going on? 2%? What's going on? I don't think so. I mean, come on now. Although the packaging is pretty, I do like the way the results look on people's skin. It's up to you if you buy it. I'm just saying, for me, there go with dislike. But for me, it ain't happening. And so the next product we have to talk about is Glow Recipes Watermelon Lip Pop. Now, y'all know I get excited when companies do a 2-for-1 and a 2-for-1 deal, but this one is just a mess. For me, okay, so I watched on Instagram the whole launch of this product, what was going on. Love the way it looked. So essentially what it is a scrub and a lip balm at the same time. When they did the launch of the product and they had the, the party and everybody was wearing it, you see all the major influencers shouting it out, I was like, and then I turned around and said no. It actually has jojoba beads in it, or beads in it that are made of jojoba wax esters. And if you know anything about jojoba beads, those things take forever to melt onto the skin. They take forever to melt. So I'm essentially trying to figure out, when you're applying this beautiful lip balm that virtually mimics a lip scrub and a lip balm at the same time, when the beads get on your lips, it's literally going to cake up the lip balm. You are going to be wasting product. I just don't see it in my future to be paying $22 for a lip balm / lip scrub that I am going to be wasting product anyway. I like the concept. I just don't like it. Maybe they want you to wipe it off, lick it off, and then the moisture is supposed to stay there. But the way jojoba beads work, they don't do a lot of exfoliation to the lip skin, in my personal opinion, to make it worth putting into a lip balm or a lip scrub, just in my personal opinion. Next product is Bite Beauty's Agave Lip Balm. I have nothing to say. So when I was doing research on this product, because I was really curious to buy it, because when you know products launch, a lot of brands send to Instagram influencers, and then you just see a rush of them using it. I go to Sephora. There are 298 reviews of this product, and 221 of them have 1 star. And it's just that's all I have to say. 221 reviews for the new vegan lip mask. I have nothing to say. If you don't know, Bite Beauty decided to go vegan with this product. I think they decided to make their whole brand more vegan. I see nothing wrong with that. Maybe they should have tested this formula. Maybe they should have did a lot of trials with this formula. I don't know what happened, but people are not liking the new formula. Maybe they should have kept the old formula and then release this as the vegan formula. And if it did well, it sold well, then they should have scrapped the old formula and kept this formula. I don't know. There was so many ways they could have went with this lip mask that they chose not to, and they just decided to, I guess, go hard or go home. They went hard, and let's pray they not going home, because the people are not having it, and I'm not buying it. Okay, so the next product we have to talk about is Fourth Ray Beauty's new launch of the Daily, which is their eye cream and their moisturizer. The whole set is $26. This is how I felt. The packaging looks exactly similar to the launch of ColourPop's Luxe line, the new Luxe line. And they decided, oh, let's just add some skincare that looks just like the makeup line. So when people buy the makeup, they could buy the skincare. I think Fourth Ray Beauty is sort of becoming the skincare of makeup, where they're launching skincare all the time as you would makeup, which I see nothing wrong with that. But how you gonna get these reviews out here launching skincare like that? I mean, you send to a lot of influencers makeup, but you don't send skincare out like that. And I know for a fact Fourth Ray Beauty don't work with small influencers at all. They only work with the big ones. So I don't know how they're going to get it out there like that, because not a lot of skincare, the big ones who review makeup, are reviewing Fourth Ray Beauty skincare, specifically on YouTube. Fourth Ray Beauty, personally, in my opinion, really got a lot of push from YouTubers as aside from Instagrammers. But you know, if your bread and butter is on Instagram, stay on Instagram. I'm just saying, this line did not wow me. The packaging looks the same as the makeup, the Luxe collection. So I'm like, what are we just adding? And then they only had a moisturizer and an eye cream. So to me, it was really just, if you buy the makeup, you can match your makeup with your skincare and get a whole aesthetic from it. And apparently it's going fast, and people like the aesthetic to match with the Luxe collection because people are buying it. Come through, ColourPop. I'm not mad at you. I looked at the reviews. The reviews were great, but the description of the products, it just said squalene oil, make your eyes moisturized, hydrated, and bright. I need a little more than you just telling me there's squalene oil in it. With that being said, the next one being for Florence Mills' new skincare collection. Look, every time we talk about her, I'm gonna just say, oh, it's on my skin. It's on my skin. I love Millie. Poor Millie. Anyways, hold on one more time. Ooh, I got it. It's everywhere, y'all. This is what I have to say about this collection. It looks like the old one, except a different color. I don't know what else to say. The ingredients looked all similar. I just wasn't impressed, but it's selling out fast. Go ahead, Millie, do your thing, girl. And that's all I have to say. I ain't buying it. Okay, so Akira launched a new product called the Essentials Hemp Seed Oil. 1 ounce of this product is $15. I'm gonna just say this and we moving on to the next one. You are not about to charge me $15 for 1 ounce of oil with no gold in in it, no nothing else. For hemp seed oil, rose oil, and another rose hemp seed oil, I do not think so. Hemp seed oil, you can buy a 16-ounce bottle of the good stuff from Canada hemp seed oil for $16. Get you some rose hemp seed oil from Now Foods and make the whole thing yourself. Kier, how dare you? How dare Kier, step your game. I'm gonna ask you to step your game up. If you can't go get you a ladder and step it up, there is no way you should be charging me 1 ounce for $15. I'm not gonna go in on you. I just found that to be shocking. Shocking. And the packaging is plastic. It's not even a Doppler. You go sit there with a spray bottle, and let me tell you, oil in the spray bottle is the worst idea in the world. I don't know who told them to put it in the spray bottle. When you put oil in the spray bottle like that, it is going to get everywhere. The spray bottle, the component is going to stop working in about, depending on how much of the spray you put on you, the component is going to stop working in about a month, maybe less. You're just gonna have a mess on your hands. So Akir, I'm gonna ask you to go back to the drawing board, get a Doppler, and then we can revisit we can revisit this, Akir. We really can. The last launch I am really not excited about is Frameless new jelly mask. Packaging just look boring. I'm not excited about a jelly mask. I don't know why. Maybe if they put invigorating, cooling, something else. I need a little more oomph from the new jelly mask line for me to want to pick it up. And it seems like it's not doing that well either, because they haven't had a big push with it. If you're going to push this jelly mask collection, I need to see swatches. I need to see a lot of influencers. I need to see way more push from this product that I am not seeing, and I'm just not wild about it. That being said, you guys, those are all the launches that are new in the skincare industry now. Some of them may pop up on this channel. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, are you guys excited for these new products? What other skincare products have you seen that are new, that have caught your eye, but you're like, I don't know, that price is looking funny? Let me know so we could get a good kiki on the channel. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.